Hello, friends. It's a beautiful day here in Oro Valley, Arizona, and I'm here to remind you about Sundays Live, 5:30 Pacific Time and 8:30 Eastern Time. It's going to be a real fun one, and being that it is the end of the month, we will be having a giveaway. And it will be a special giveaway. It's going to be a piece that I created at the Fluid Art Boutique this past May. So I hope you can all come and join me and have lots of fun. And I will be, I think I'll keep it a secret for right now. But trust me, it'll be a first for me. Oh no, another one. So please come and join me. Bring your friends, bring your family, and let's just do it up and have some laughs and have some creative fun. Little bug there. They're everywhere. Bye-bye. See you Sunday.